My roommate won our university's $100,000 startup competition with a PowerPoint she made while drunk at 3 a.m. The other teams had been preparing for 6 months. The competition was brutal. 200 teams narrowed down to 20 finalists. Business plans, market research, financial projections, stirred of the works. My team spent every weekend perfecting our eco-friendly packaging solution. Emma, my roommate, wasn't even signed up. She'd stumble into our apartment at 2 a.m., see me stress over spreadsheets, and offer drunk feedback about making everything pink or adding cats the night before finals. She came home from a party and found me crying. Our main competitor had a former Google exec as a mentor. We were screwed. When she asked about the prize earned $100K and Silicon Valley VC meetings, she declared my biodegradable packaging idea boring and decided to enter herself. Her ex ran the competition, and 3 texts later she was registered. I watched her create the worst presentation I'd ever seen. Through sans, clip art spelling errors. Her billion-dollar idea was essentially diet for finding study buddies. She added a slide that just said studying is SXY and rainbow word art, identified her target market as horny nerds, made finger guns, and passed out on the couch. Next morning, she showed up to finals in last night's glitter dress and my flip-flops. I wore my best suit. The judges included Fortune 500 CEOs and venture capitalists worth billions. Team after team presented this AI that's sustainable everything. Ganeshi slides, rehearsed pitches, market analysis that'd make McKinsey proud. Then Emma wobbled up. Her opening slide was a badly photoshopped brain wearing sunglasses. She explained that studying sucked but could be hot if you matched with attractive classmates. Her slides included shirtless men holding textbooks and fake statistics about studying with attractive people. She pitched Study Buddy as literally tired for homework, showing a center of actual tiret with Studi BD DBit written in MS Unge. She claimed they were in pre-design phase. Her revenue model involved premium features to see who was checking out your brain. Her market size encompassed every student who'd ever pretended to need help to flirt. When asked about her background, she admitted to failing calculus twice because her study partners were too cute. Her business philosophy was that fighting human nature was bad business. The final slide read, "Make hindinging Essie again over an American flag." She added they'd take 20% of wedding registries from couples who met on the app. The room went silent until the youngest judge, Prayantau, 26-year-old crypto-billionaire Ponce, started laughing. The lead judge, a 60-year-old banking CEO, looked incredulous. 2 hours later, they announced winners. Third place went to sustainable packaging. My team second to some AI-powered solution. First place, Study Buddy. Emma won by a landslide. The crypto judge explained later that Tiret's worth was astronomical, and college students would download this without shame because it was for studying. Emma's app launched 6 months later, 5 million downloads in the first week. She kept the Contro Sans logo for irony. Last month, Match Group tried to acquire it for $300 million. She turned them down, telling Forbes she was still in pre-design phase while wearing the same glitter dress. She bought a house with a study room she never uses. Her Tizidian bio still says failed calculus twice turn. That's the entire profile. She's never actually used her own app, explaining she doesn't need to study anymore because she's rich. Sometimes the worst ideas are the best ideas. Sometimes you just need to be drunk enough to admit what everyone's thinking, and sometimes Contro Sans is exactly the right choice.